So what's up everyone? As you can see, I'm back in the cave, and I'm actually having a little bit of a project going on. Well, not necessarily a project, but more like a finish design kind of stuff with case modding, which I was allowed to choose from instead of coming up with a new concept, for example like the lift and sink bed and so on, which right behind me. But I decided to make a case mod, and I'm not allowed to take a regular case like the Cosmos 2 that was standing up there and like the Cosmos S that was standing over here and so on. I'm only allowed to build it from the ground up. The last time I did that was from the suitcase kind of mod I did, and this time I actually have a few things to use which I didn't have the last time, and this time I actually have a what was it called, a laser cutter to my exposure, a 3D printer, and a vinyl cutter, which I already have but on the school. So here's the case itself, which I'm not going to be using per se. I'm actually only going to be using the motherboard trail, which I'm gonna be taking out of it, and yeah, that's the only thing I'm gonna be using from this old case, which I do not know the originating from, or I do not know the brand itself, called SciTech, but I am definitely gonna be taking out the motherboard trail, and that's the plan. So let's get to it.